Cinnamon.
I'm recording.
What?
Yum. I'm recording Alex. Alex, say hi. Oh, wait, don't go away. Say hi, Alex. This is like upside down.
Yeah.
Say hi. Say, pet me under my chin. No, don't bite me. No, don't bite me. Yes. Oh. Oh, did you feel good? Did you take a furry little kitty? I'm really bad at this recording thing. Alex.
He likes showing off his butt.
He does. Go under the... Go tunnel. Goodbye. Don't follow. Alex. Alex. Hi. Are we going to have spring yet, Mr. Guinea Pig, not a groundhog man? Oh, don't nibble on my belly. That doesn't feel good. Oh, that's awkward. With your little horn. Good your little horn. Trying to chew my finger. Unicorn guinea pig. No, you may not have my chocolate. It's my cherry. No. Say hi, Jen. What's she doing?
Reading my blog.
Nice. What if you had guinea pigs in your attics and not squirrels?
They'd be dead.
They'd be dead. What if these guinea pigs were secretly sneaking in food? Alex, where are you going? Mm-mm. There's my friends. Get back here. Okay, this is 3 minutes of nonsense.